Yeah.
No, you can't see it.
You can't see it?
Scalloped potato pan.
Yep.
Dirty
Just
scalloped potato
all we
pan.
did was scrape it out and store the potatoes. Now we're putting it in this Asko dishwasher, and we'll see if it comes clean with no pre-washing or anything. We're just going to put on the heavy load program
And it'll come clean.
with nothing but detergent.
No way.
Using this
Finish.
brand,
Oh, you use Finish now?
the Powerball. Let's see it do its power,
Oh, I don't
and we'll
buy
see
it
if this
either.
comes out.
Huh, so that's what you use now, huh, Michelle?
Heavy program. Okay, now we're gonna see program's ended, and we're looking at our scallop dish, our casserole dish, to see how clean it came in the Asko with nothing but detergent, no pre-soak, no extra rinse.